Hey friends, if EXE files are not opening on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. First of all, we will search for malware. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar. Go to MRT. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next. Select full scan. Select next and let it run through. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now, once this is sorted, the next thing that you can try is check the scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.